Hey everyone, Kevin here with Victory 4x4. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to install bedside MOLLE panels in our 4th generation Toyota Tacoma. So here I have the panel and its mounting brackets for one side of the vehicle. This one we're going to install on the passenger side of this truck, but first we need to get it assembled. So there are two pieces that we need to bolt together, as well as the logo plates, which need to be installed, and we'll start out with those. Now you do need to know which side of the vehicle you're installing your panel on at the time you're getting the logos installed so that you put them on the correct side, because it's really just a matter of which side you bolt it into. Once you have that figured out, both logos will install the same, and you can identify where they go based on the size of the cutout versus the size of the logo. Once you have that figured out, you'll slide it in on what will be the back side of the panel and install it with the stainless number 10 screws provided in your bolt pack. With that hardware started, you'll just need an 1/8 inch hex to tighten these up. From here, you can bolt the two panel halves together. Just pay attention to the top, which is easily identifiable by the bag hooks we have cut out here. And then you'll bolt those together by overlapping them and installing 3 1/4-20 button heads with flange locking nuts on the back side. Then you'll switch to a 5/32 hex to tighten those up. Then you'll need to get up in the bed. You want to have a T30 Torx, and you're first going to remove the 3 upper screws for this lower cargo compartment. And you want to save these because we will reinstall them. And then up top here, you're going to have 4 that need to be removed. They are the mounting screws for this factory accessory rail. And if you are running our bed rack, or really any bed rack, you may have to at least loosen it up so that you can access some of this hardware, specifically this back one in our case. So we just kind of slid it forward a little bit out of our way, and we can get in here and remove these. And you do want to save this upper hardware as well. You can then grab your upper mounting brackets, which are the kind of zigzag brackets, if you will, here. They're going to step up and in behind this accessory rail. And you'll just line it up with the factory hole. And at least for now, loosely reinstall this bolt. With all 4 brackets started, you can push them up tight to the bottom of the accessory rail and tighten them up again with that factory hardware. With all of your mounting brackets in, you can now grab your panel. If you have the bed rack in, you will want to slip the panel in behind the mounting flange here, and then you can install 1/4-20 button heads into your upper mounting brackets, again with those serrated nuts on the back side. With your upper hardware started, you can grab those factory fasteners from down here. You may have to raise up on the panel to line them up and then get all 3 of those reinstalled. Once you have all of that hardware started, you can start tightening everything up. Once you have everything tight here, this installation is complete. For those of you installing a pair of panels, you can now go repeat this process over on the other side. The only difference when installing over here on the driver's side are the 3 lower fasteners toward the back of the panel. In this case, they will need to be drilled. For that, you'll need a 1/4 inch hole. You can just use the panel as a guide carefully here and drill through the composite bed. Just keep in mind when drilling these out on the front slot here on the bottom of the panel, you want to drill it as far as possible toward the rear of the slot so that you have enough room on the back side, or the outside if you will, to install the nut. You will have 3 slightly longer black 1/4-20 button heads for this location, along with 3 black spacers. The spacers will go between the panel and the bed here, and then you can install the bolts from this side. And then you will have to have the help of a friend most likely in this step, to go down underneath the truck and reach up to install the 3 remaining nuts. Once you have all 3 of those started, you want to tighten them up with a 5/32 hex and clean up any remaining debris down here. From there, those of you running a bed rack can reposition and tighten it up, and that will complete this install. So as always, if you guys have any questions at all about this product or anything we offer here at Victory 4x4, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can always send us an email at info@victory4x4.com or call us at 269-459-8447.